Hello and welcome back to EM Facts, your go-to channel for insightful information on health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often whispered about but rarely discussed openly: foods that can enhance your sexual health, specifically by making you harder. Yes, you heard it right. So, let's get right into it. Watermelon. This juicy fruit is packed with citrulline, a compound known to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to the nether regions. Next up, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, you name it, they're rich in nitric oxide and folate, supporting healthy blood vessels and cardiovascular function. Tomatoes. Not just for salads, these red gems contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress and may help combat erectile dysfunction. Now, who doesn't love chocolate? Dark chocolate, in particular, is a treasure trove of flavonoids, which can enhance blood flow and promote nitric oxide production. Salmon, our aquatic ally. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, it's great for heart health, which in turn supports better blood flow and potentially improved erectile function. And let's not forget about pistachios. These delicious nuts are rich in arginine, a precursor to nitric oxide that helps relax blood vessels and boost circulation. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are also on our list. They're loaded with high-density lipoprotein, HDL, which helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, crucial for optimal blood flow. Ah, spinach, Popeye's favorite. Besides being high in folate, iron, and magnesium, it's a powerhouse for promoting blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Peppers, with their spicy kick. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for their heat, may not only stimulate blood flow but also uplift your mood, a win-win for your sexual health. Last but not least, we have oysters, nature's aphrodisiac. Packed with zinc, they're essential for testosterone production and overall sexual health. And there you have it, folks, 10 foods that can make you harder, naturally. But remember, while these foods can complement a healthy lifestyle, they're not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. For the best results, consult with your healthcare provider and maintain a balanced diet. Thanks for tuning into EM Facts. Stay healthy, stay informed, and until next time, take care.